How to put margins in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can put your desired margin in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are on my browser. So I just open Google Docs application here. Okay, so I just open it and I take the blank one. Okay, I have the Google Docs here. So if you want to put the margins, you can set as a default also. I will show you. So now just open the file, go to the file option, go to the page setup, and here you can see the apply for whole documents, or you can apply for this particular page. For this we need multiple page, and we need to select text on that page. After that, this option will be visible. Now for now we just select whole documents, and here you can see the margins: top margin, bottom margins, left margins, right margin. You can change as per your requirement. So just change it to 1 inch for all. Now if you want to make this by default as a set as a default margin for your all new documents, then you can set as a default. After you set, just click on OK. Now it will be changed. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.